Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to apply false eyelashes, and it's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial.
These are the Bronson eyelashes in the style mink. So the first step is to measure the eyelash with our eye, and whatever you feel that is extra that is coming out, you can cut it, but keep in mind that you cut it from the front section, which is the inner corner one, so that the flutteriness of the outer section remains the same.
I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.